Coohom.com in the address bar, log into your account at the top right corner, and then click Get Started. All interior design starts with the floor plan. We support drawing your own or importing drawings, including various formats such as DWG, JPG, and PDF. Here we demonstrate starting from a CAD base map. The imported floor plan base map needs to have the external frame removed, retaining only wall positioning, doors, windows, and necessary furniture. You can use auto-generate to get floor plan immediately, or manual drawing by your own. Choose correct import unit according to your CAD file. On the left side of the page is the element column, where you can select tool modules or model materials. The middle part is the canvas for design operations. The top is the toolbar. The upper right corner is the navigation window for quick switching. The lower right corner shows material details, which is suitable for quick adjustments. The 2D and 3D buttons in the lower left corner switch between different design perspectives, and the small cube can switch the preview effect mode. It is recommended to use materials plus wireframe to better locate the model position. The user avatar in the upper right corner allows access to the preference settings, where you can select the interface language and system units, including fractional inches, as well as light and dark color schemes. Feel free to choose whatever you like. Click the blank area outside the room with the left mouse button. You can adjust the height of the entire floor in the lower right corner, and adjusting the opacity makes it easier to check the position of the wall position and model relative to the base map. In 3D view, hold down the left mouse button and move to rotate the view around the center. Hold down the right mouse button and move to move horizontally in space. The mouse wheel can be used to zoom the view. 2D and 3D perspectives aid different operations. 2D floor suits furniture placement, ceiling for ceiling design and lighting. Top view checks overall 3D, walk view simulates indoor roaming. Use WDAS to move, Q and E to adjust height. Shortcuts are number keys 1, 2, 3, 4. Import of image-based floor plan base map. Select the base map file, preferably a complete floor plan that has been cropped with a scale bar. After importing the image, move the scale bar and drag dot to adjust to align it with the accurate length. Pay attention to the length unit, and obtain the floor plan. In 2D view, click on the room and check the room type and room name on the right side, and select the corresponding properties for the room. Note that this step is very important for the subsequent AI template result. In 2D view, clicking on one of the walls will bring up a distance box showing the distance to the opposite wall. Enter the dimensions based on the base map and press Enter to adjust precisely. If the structure causes it to be displayed in multiple segments or not displayed at all, you can use the reference line in the toolkit. Click on the wall, move the mouse, enter the value to mark the precise distance, and end with Enter. After zooming in on the image with the mouse wheel, you can directly drag the wall to snap it to the accurate position for calibration. Floor plan supplement. Click on a straight wall, move the mouse to the wall surface. Click the left mouse button to move and draw. Click again to complete this segment, and right-click to end the wall drawing function. Doors and windows calibration. In the 3D view, click on the door or window, and the double-headed arrow allows you to change it to your preferred door or window style. The right side will display properties such as the length, width, and height of the door or window. You can enter the values as per needed, or you can replace multiple doors and windows of the same style in the plan with one click in batches.